Good morning, everybody. Today we're on an epic adventure. Who doesn't remember as a kid being on the mini bikes or go-karts, having a good time driving around the yard, driving through the woods with your buddies and everything else? Well, we went and did a thing. We bought a couple sweet mini bikes. One's a Coleman, the other one's a Moto Metal, and that's a knucklehead.
Yeah.
So, are you excited about running this thing today?
Yep. Hopefully I don't crash.
Yes. So, we're gonna go find a couple areas to ride. Hope you guys enjoy the ride. See you. Oh, hi. Yeah, we had to stop off before we go to the trail, get us a little bit of lunch. We hit the old McDonald's. We are not sponsored by McDonald's, or we endorse them, but it is super good and nutritious. So, what we would like to say is we'll see you at the track. Adios.
Alrighty, so what we're going to be doing, riding these mini bikes in the trails. It's right behind our good friend and neighbor, Wayne. And we're gonna ride all these trails up there, all up there, all down there. And it's gonna be pretty fun. Just in case, we're gonna fill all these tanks up. And today, Dad is gonna ride the Batmobile. And I'm gonna ride the Red Dragon, which this one goes faster than that, but Dad's gonna notch it down so I don't go too fast and I don't crash. So that's what we're doing with over here. We got water, we had some food, some lunch, and yeah.
All right, man. Let's go. We're cranking this thing up. We got everything fueled up. Remember, you gotta push this button. Kill switch. That one. All the way back. Oh. Oh, grab a hold of it. Don't be a sissy. Grab it. Pull it. There you go. One more time.
No, I can't do that.
Go ahead and get on and we'll start heading down this trail. What happened? Grassy Lake Elementary. Let's keep going. This is where the new Publix is being built. There'll be a Publix where we're at right now. What's this mean? It means I got one bad driver. There he is.
I already crashed 2 times. Got that right there.
Yeah.
And whenever I was riding right there, I thought it was smooth and everything. And I'm like, okay. So I was just driving and then I heard a big pop sound. And then my bike wouldn't move anymore. So I put the kickstand on. And then Dad pulled up from the ground the chain. And
here we go.
So, here.
How are we gonna fix this? You might ask. I would answer, that's a good question. Because I have no tools on me. So what I think I might have to do is ride that mini bike back to the truck and get me some tools. Maybe we can put this thing back together and fix it, get it out of here. Dirty hands. Can't get the chain back on. Need a pair of pliers. So always an adventure, right?
Yep.
So I'm gonna run back, take that mini bike. Won't be as fast as lightning. And I'm gonna run back to the truck, get some tools. Probably have to drive the truck back here and load this bike up and get it fixed in my shop.
Alrighty, quick little update here. It is 1:20 and I'm still waiting on Dad. He's probably 5 minutes away. The good thing is, if anybody tries to attack me, I got a construction site right over there. Not sure if y'all can see that. But I'm just sitting here. Like I said, nobody is here. Alrighty.
Cannot endorse moto metals on their suspension. All I can say is thank goodness I already have 2 kids, because after that ride I just had, I don't think that I could ever reproduce again. That's all.
Bye. That was weird.
So mini bike, you say? It'll be fun. Go out in the woods, ride the trails. Let me tell you something. This is a prime example of nothing can ever go perfectly right. So here we are. I ran back to the truck with the moped or the mini bike that was still working. I left Mason here. I got the truck, I loaded the mini bike, I brought the truck back through here. Luckily I got some tools in my truck. Sit back a little bit, son, and show how we got this mini bike set up here to fix it. Put the mini bike up here, use it as a workbench. Hopefully we can get this chain link fixed. Otherwise, we're just going to have to load it up and run the trail back out of here in the truck and go to the hardware store and fix it. This little link right here, that's what's causing us some grief. That link came apart. So, problem is, this little locker link, if you can see it, it's got a crack in it. So, I don't know if it's going to hold together long enough for us to get out of these woods or be able to enjoy the bike anymore today. Because Mason fell earlier and I didn't get on camera, that's why it bent the one of the chains a little bit and caused it to break at the link to where it joins the chain together. So he had 2 spills, and I'm thinking that's what happened. You can see right there,
and then got one right there.
Yeah. So, price of learning how to ride, I guess. But we had it all out here with all the tools to fix it. Unfortunately, we just need to get another link because it's ended up being bent and I can't straighten it to make it work correctly.
This is one of the coolest parts about the trail. It's this tunnel right here.
right, so we got home and I think we got it fixed. What happened when Mason wiped out, I don't know if you can see that. It's the link for the chain. It has broken off this top piece on this side right here, and it caused the chain to come apart from the sprocket. So no way we could fix that in the field, but we gave it our best shot. Got home, we got chased the part down, got the mini bike fixed in about 10 minutes. Now we're gonna go on a little evening ride in the neighborhood since we can't make it back to the woods today. I'll show you guys a little bit of that footage, and then we're gonna call it a day.